How to use apple cider vinegar for face.
ACV Face Wash. Washing your face daily can help to remove oil, dirt, and other debris. The best way to get your skin as clean as a whistle is to use a face wash or cleanser. When used as a facial cleanser, apple cider vinegar is an effective way to cleanse the skin of bacteria and debris.
To create an all-natural apple cider vinegar face wash from scratch, mix 1/4 cup liquid castile soap, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Adding apple cider vinegar to the gentle cleansing power of castile soap allows you to wash and tone your face without any added harsh chemicals.
ACV Toner. The role of a toner-trusted source in skincare is to cleanse and tighten the skin to help protect it from bacteria and other impurities. Apple cider vinegar is an astringent, which can function as a toner when applied to the skin. The recipe for apple cider vinegar as a skin toner is as follows.
One part apple cider vinegar. 2 parts purified water. After using a face wash to cleanse the skin, this mixture can be applied to the face with a cotton pad or ball. You can also use a spray bottle to spritz the mixture evenly onto the skin.
If your skin is sensitive to certain skincare products, this mixture can be further diluted before use.